School Freeware's Visual Basic Express 2010 Tutorials. Tutorial 36. Invading Earth. EZInvaders Part 5. Now it's time to insert the invader, so I'll go back to Design, select the picture box, drop it in. I'll change the size of the picture box, so the size is 50, 50 to match the size of the invader. The location I'll put as 1, 1. The image, I'll go ahead and get the invader image. And the background color. Go to Web and Transparent. The name will be Picture Box 1. Now comes time to move the invader, so I'll just go into Timer Main, and up here at the top I'll put in some variables. Dim invader speed as integer. I'll declare the invader's drop size, invader drop, as integer, and I'll declare iWrite as boolean. So the invader speed will determine how fast the invader is moving. The invader drop will determine how much the invader drops when it hits the edge of the form, and invader right will determine if the invader is moving to the right or the left. Under timer main tick, I'll go ahead and put in move invader, and I'll go ahead and declare the sub here at the bottom. So private sub move invader. If iWrite equal true, then picture box 1 dot left plus equals invader speed. Else picture box 1 dot left minus equals invader speed. So now that we have the invader moving to the right or the left, we have to check to see if the invader hits the side of the form. So if picture box 1 dot left plus picture box 1 dot width, which would be the right side of the picture box, if that is greater than the client rectangle width, me.client rectangle dot width, then we know that the picture box has hit the right side of the form, so we'll just have to drop the invader down. So iWrite equal false, and picture box 1 dot top plus equals invader drop. Okay, and now I'll take care of if the invader hits the right side of the form. So we have to check to see if the invader hits the left side of the form on the way back. If picture box 1 dot left is less than me dot client rectangle dot left, then iWrite equal true, and picture box 1 dot top plus equal invader drop. We already have an end if automatically put in for us, and I'll just go up to where we have load settings, and I'll put it as iWrite equal true, so the invader starts moving to the right immediately, and we'll set the speed of the invader speed equal 3, and invader drop will equal 50. Okay, let's give this a try. And it's doing what we hope it to do. Probably should have it move a little bit faster for testing purposes. As you can see, it's already hit the pointer here, the shooter, and it keeps moving, so we probably should have something for game over if it hits the bottom. So I'll go ahead and do that right now. So up here at the main timer click, let's check for a game over. So check, game over. Private sub, check, game over. If picture box 1 dot top plus picture box 1 dot height greater than or equal to shooter dot top, and I'll also put in and picture box 1 dot visible equal true, then I'll set the timer to stop. So timer main dot enabled equal false, and put a message box game over, Earth invaded. Have an end if there, and for testing purposes what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the speed of the invader. I'm going to make it a little bit faster. We'll have it speed of 20. Go ahead and run this real quick and we'll see what happens. Alright, got to the bottom, game over, Earth invaded. Everything stops. Okay,